Hi, I'm David, and welcome back to another episode of Baking Unafraid. Alright guys, before I get started, I just want to let you know I'm working on a special video this weekend, so make sure you stay tuned. I don't want to ruin the surprise just yet. For today's recipe, I'm making a Midwest favorite, St. Louis gooey butter cake. It has a layer of cake and a layer of this cream cheese topping, and it is just so good. Everyone loves it. It is a crowd pleaser, and you're going to want to know how to make it. So I'm here to teach you. So let's get started baking Unafraid gooey butter cake. First thing is you're going to need a yellow cake box mix, about 18 ounces. Go ahead and throw that in a bowl with 1 egg and a ½ cup of melted butter. Mix that together until it forms a dough. Once this dough is formed, you're going to press this into a prepared 9x13 pan. Now it might not seem like enough dough, but just keep pressing it until you get to all the edges. It should be a super thin layer. That is what you want. Next thing we're going to put together is our cream cheese mixture. It's going to be 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of almond extract, and 4 cups of confectioner's sugar. With this cream cheese mixture, you're going to beat on low for 30 seconds and then turn up that speed to medium and beat it for another 3 minutes. Make sure there's no lumps. You definitely don't want any lumps in this gooey butter cake. Once your cream cheese mixture is completely smooth, you're going to go ahead and add that into the pan. Place your cake in a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake the cake for about 30 to 45 minutes. When it's a nice golden brown, take it out, cool completely before slicing. Dust your cake with powdered sugar. And there you have it, ooey gooey St. Louis butter cake. Thanks so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends. Now I gotta run because there's a cake that's calling my name. Remember to be you and bake unafraid.